Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we are back to our weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, December 22 to 25, 2023. And this is our English version. I would like to greet you all a very Merry Christmas. And we are happy that the whole year of 2023 we don't have any major powerful storm that hit the archipelago, just some minimal ones, but that's good enough to have our year. That's good enough to make our year a lucky one without any major events. Okay, just the usual rains and thunderstorms brought about by the southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon, shear line. Anyway, Merry Christmas to all. And we would like to again thank our partners, Naga College Foundation, Habitis Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. Without you guys, this update will not persist. Okay, and to begin now with our update, it looks like for the latest fast animation right now, we have a new surge of the northeast monsoon, but it's only affecting the northern and central portions of Luzon, including Batanes, Pabuyan, Cubao Islands, and also there's a shear line, but it's only short-lived, affecting Northern Quezon and Polillo Island. The rest of the country will have pleasant weather and calm to easterly to northeasterly winds will blow, with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly in the afternoon and evening. Here's now the remnants of tropical depression Jelawat or Kabayan. It is now moving towards the Gulf of Thailand, and this is the one that is enhancing the northeast monsoon. And so far, it's so good for this weekend. It looks like our Christmas will be free from any major weather system except for the northeast monsoon and the shear line. If we take a look at the zoom in satellite animation, you can clearly see here some very small thunderstorms over Cuyo Island, along the western sections of Mindanao, but starting to dissipate. And so far, these are nimbus stratus clouds affecting northern and central Luzon, generated by the northeast monsoonal flow, with some light rains over the eastern sections. And the shear line started to weaken. So far, it didn't reach the Bicol region. It's just over here, northern Quezon and Polillo Island. Now, if we take a look at our latest graph set, so this is now the diagram of what is happening. Northeast monsoon here, but the shear line is only over to the east of northern Quezon, north of Bicol, so there's nothing to worry about. Good weather will persist over Bicol region, various sections of Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao. Here's now the remnants of Jelawat or Kabayan moving towards the Gulf of Thailand. So the risk of flooding and landslides over the area of the shear line is low to medium, but so far it's beginning to dissipate during the past few hours. And if we take a look at the wind at pressure forecast from the European model, you can clearly see here the surge of the northeast monsoon with winds gusting up to 65 kph across the northern and eastern sections of central and northern Luzon. And on Saturday, it will start to weaken, while easterlies will prevail over the eastern sections of Visayas and Mindanao. On the day of Christmas Eve, it will become pleasant all across the country except for extreme northern Luzon, where the northeast monsoon will still prevail. But this northeast monsoon is somewhat dry, nothing to worry about, mostly cloudy. Sunny skies will also persist. And on Christmas Day, it looks like the surge of the northeast monsoon will start to move down again, but only affecting the northern and eastern sections of northern Luzon and into the eastern or coastal waters of central Luzon. But so far it will just reach Pulilio, just what is happening right now. Bicol region down to Mimaropa, Visayas and Mindanao will have good weather, and also over in the vicinity of Metro Manila and southern Tagalog provinces on December 25. If we take a look at the rain forecast, so there you go, the shear line, and tomorrow, Saturday, it will weaken, and just some showers expected along the eastern sections of Isabela and Cagayan because of the northeast monsoon. December 24, Christmas Eve, another shear line will affect the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, and some thunderstorms over Mindanao. And on Christmas Day, 8 a.m., there will be some possible showers across the eastern sections of the Bicol region over the coastal areas or coastal waters. But so far, the rest of the Bicol will have still good weather, and there will be possible thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening across various sections of the Bicol region, particularly the eastern sections of the region, and also along the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley and central Luzon. So this is due to the northeast monsoon. There's no shear line, so it's just a little showers will be expected on and off, okay? But hopefully, hopefully there's no rain, and we have another easterly wind flow generating some thunderstorms and rain showers across Caraga on Christmas Day, December 25th. And so far, that's the latest from our rain forecast. And for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days until Sunday, it looks like the bulk of the rainfall are concentrated over Cagayan Valley and the eastern sections or the coastal waters of Cagayan Valley and central Luzon, from Cagayan, Isabela, Aurora, down to northern Quezon, including Pulilio Island, and the coastal areas of Camarines Norte, Camarines Sur, the Partido District will be expecting some showers because of the northeast monsoon. That will be up to December 24 or 25. Easterly wind flow will generate some rains and thunderstorms across the eastern sections of Davao and Caraga regions and the eastern sections of Samar and Leyte. Some localized thunderstorms will also be expected over Oriental Mindoro, Romblon, northern Panay, northern Negros, and some portions of northern Cebu. So far, that's the rain forecast, or the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days. As for the waves, we expect 4 meters of wave height across the coastal waters of Luzon, becoming 2 meters over the eastern coastal waters of Visayas and northeastern Mindanao. And then tomorrow, Saturday, again, because of the northeast monsoon, the waves here will be around 4.3 meters. And on Sunday, December 24, it will start again to weaken because the northeast monsoon will retreat back to the extreme northernmost parts of Luzon. So over the eastern sections of Luzon, over the eastern sections of central Luzon and Bicol region, we expect wave height to decrease up to 2.5 meters. And on Christmas Day, we have another surge of the northeast monsoon, which could generate wave height of up to 3 meters and 4 to 5 meters here over the extreme northern parts of Luzon, particularly Batanes and Babuing Cubao Islands and the West Philippine Sea, to the west of Ilocos region will also have possible wave height of 5 to 6 meters due to the Northeast Monsoon. And before we leave you, here's the latest global topics hazards outlook from the Climate Prediction Center. This was issued last Wednesday, and this is valid for the next 2 to 3 weeks, with the third week having very high uncertainty. So for week 2, December 27 to January 2, 2024, the Philippine Islands, particularly Southern Visayas and Mindanao, will be having some more than 50% of below average rainfall because of the ongoing El Nino. While on week 3, valid January 3 to January 9, 2024, that will be next year, the Philippine Islands up to the eastern coastal waters of Vietnam, the West Philippine Sea, including Taiwan, will have more than 20% probability of a tropical cyclone formation, but this is not yet sure because the uncertainty is so high during January 3 to January 9 time frame. Okay, so so far that's the latest from the hazards outlook of the Climate Prediction Center of NOAA. So that's the latest for this weekend. I hope you'll enjoy the Christmas rush, okay, last minute shopping, but try to avoid this monstrous traffic that we will be experiencing all throughout the archipelago, particularly the major key cities like Metro Manila, here in Naga. Lots of traffic going on, particularly during the Christmas rush hour. Okay, again, have a great weekend. Merry Christmas again to all. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. And thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.